Hello everyone, welcome to a non-facts. So students, in this video we will solve week assignment number 8 of the course Health Research Fundamentals. Okay. So students, you can see this course. I have provided you the answers of week assignment number 1 to week assignment number 7, and the scores are in all weeks nearly we scored 100. Okay. So in this time we will solve week assignment number 8 and quiz number 21, 22, and 23. So at first we'll solve 21. Okay. So question number 1 for week 21, sorry, assignment 21 is: which of the following need to be spelled out in expected benefits section of the concept proposal? Option A is expected outputs that the study will generate with timeline. Option B is proposed immediate action based on research findings. Option C is how this research may get agenda for further research, and option D is all of the above. So the correct answer for this question will be all of the above. Okay. Question number 2 is: advantages of writing a concept paper include. Option A is you may be able to organize your ideas. Option B is it gives an opportunity to stand out and receive a positive response from reviewers. Option C is both A and B, and option D is you are sure to get funding. So the correct one will be option A and B, that is option C. Okay. Question number 3 is the initial outline of the research protocol. Options are concept paper, abstract, poster presentation, all of the above. So the correct answer will be A. Okay, concept paper. Question number 4 is: if there are many objectives, it may be necessary to differentiate the objectives into primary and secondary, or general and specific objectives. Is this statement true or false? So the given statement is true. Question number 5 is: which among the following is not a component of concept paper? Options are background and justification, objectives and methods, expected benefits, key references, and budget, conclusion. So the correct answer will be conclusion. Okay. Question number 6 is references. Sorry. References need to be written following standard guidelines such as International Committee of Medical Journal Editors, that is ICMJE. Is this true or false? So the given statement is true. Question number 7 is: budget estimate is not mandatory in the concept papers. However, it would be very useful to prepare an indicative budget. So the answer for this question will be true. Okay. Question number 8 is: which of the following is not true about references in the concept proposal? Option A is we can cite references in introduction and methods section. Option B is it is important to write references following standard guidelines. Option C is statements should be linked to references, and option D is we can have as many references as possible. So the correct answer for question number 8 will be option number D, that is we can have as many references as possible. Question number 9 is: the elements of the method section in the concept proposal needs to be adapted according to the study design chosen. So this one is true. Moving to the last question of assignment number 21. The question is: while writing the concept papers for intervention studies, the methods section must have the following details. Options are primary and secondary outcome definitions, randomization, sequence allocation and allocation cancellation, dose frequency, nature of intervention, all of the above. So the correct answer will be all of the above. Okay, so we have solved all the questions of assignment number 21. Let's submit it. So let's solve quiz assignment number 22. So question number one for week assignment number 22 is the first step for writing a successful protocol. Write a one-page concept paper. Identify topic, research, question, and objectives. Write a draft protocol. Seek ethics approval. So the correct answer will be option number B. Okay, identify topic, research, question, and objectives. Question number two is the following annexure in the study protocol deals with toxicity management. So options are study management forms, standard operating procedures, consent forms, adverse event management form. So the correct answer for this question will be option number C, that is consent forms. Question number third is description of the interventions is essential in a research protocol for experimental study, for case control study, for cohort study, and for cross-sectional study. So the correct one for this question will be for experimental study. Okay. Question number four is human participant protection paragraph addresses all except confidentiality, risk compensation, sample size calculation. So the correct answer will be confidentiality. Okay. Question number sorry, I have made a mistake. For question number four, the answer will be sample size calculation. Okay, that is option number D. Question number five. Question number five is last step in finalizing a protocol is prepare annexes, prepare data collection instruments, ethics approval, submit to peer review. So the correct answer will be ethics approval. Question number six is key outcomes and exposures should be explained under data analysis, data collection tools, sampling, operational definitions. So the correct answer will be operational definitions. Okay, option number D. Question number seven is study population, sample size, and sampling are included in the following section of the protocol. Options are introduction, methods, objectives, expected benefits. So the correct answer will be methods. Option number 8 is the paragraph which explains how the objectives lead to indicators. So options are introduction, study design, budget, objectives. So the correct answer for question number 8 will be option number D, that is objectives. Okay. Question number 9 is study participants' willingness to participate in the study is obtained by informed consent, oral commitment, willingness not necessary, none of the above. So the correct answer will be informed consent. Okay. So moving to the last question of assignment number 22. Question number 10 is inclusion and exclusion criteria should be included under the following section in the protocol. Options are sampling, study population, study design, and sample size. So the correct answer will be study population. So we have solved all the questions of assignment 2022. Sorry, 22. Let's submit it. So it's time to solve week 20 we quiz 23rd. Okay, so question number one is state whether true or false. We just have to answer the given statement is true or false. Okay, so statement is unpublished work must be acknowledged in a manuscript. Options are true or false. So the correct answer for this question will be true. Okay, question number two is which of the following is not a criterion for authorship? Option A is conceptualizing the original study. Option B is agreeing to contribute during peer review processes. Option C is being a departmental head, and option D is drafting the manuscript. So the correct answer will be being a departmental head. Question number third is citing one's own publication out of context is called as simultaneous publication, duplicate publication, self-criterion, citation, self-plagiarism. Okay, so the correct answer for question number third will be self-plagiarism. Okay, question number four is submitting a manuscript to more than one journal at the same time is known as duplicate publication, self citation, simultaneous publication, peer review. So the correct answer will be simultaneous publication. Question number five is state whether true or false. We just have to answer the statement is true or false. So the first author is mostly responsible for addressing the comments received from the reviewers of the journal. So it is true or false. So given statement is true. Question number six is a health sciences researcher is in the process of writing a review of literature for her thesis. Her guide has instructed her to avoid plagiarism. Which are the following measures should she take to avoid plagiarism? Except option A is avoid copying and pasting, acknowledge original sources, reproduce fellow researchers' work as such, take help of anti-plagiarism software. So the correct answer will be option number C. Okay. Question number seven is which of the following is incorrect about publishing a research work? Option A is publishing paper is important as it adds to existing scientific knowledge. Option B is publishing research findings helps to identify the research gaps. Option D, C is common people should not read such research findings, and option D is none of these. So the correct answer will be option C. Common people should not read such research findings. Question number 8 is direct or indirect influence of the following aspects is considered conflict of interest except financial, personal, social, medical. So the correct answer will be option number D, that is medical. Okay. Question number 9 is all of the following help in reducing ethical issues associated with research publication except option A is obtaining the Institutional Ethics Committee IEC permission. Option B is including a guest author to improve the acceptance of the manuscript. Option C is obtaining permission from the copyright holder to reproduce a figure. And option D is declaring familial, familial relationship between an author and the chairperson of the funding agency. So the correct answer will be option number B. Okay. Moving to the last question of week 8. Question is a social science researcher submitted a proposal to the ethics committee of an institute. The committee found that the proposal is quite similar to an earlier proposal from the same department. This act of the researcher can be best termed as fabrication, plagiarism, falsification, breach of confidentiality. So the correct answer will be plagiarism. Okay, so let's submit it. Viewers, please like the video if you scores good marks in the assignments because of my video, and subscribe the channel. and also it's my request to share it with needy ones. Okay, thank you.